Okay, so let me complete quickly this one. Are you able to see that screen, please, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, did you do that exercise which I given you?
Yes,
Did you
sir.
do that? Yeah,
Yes,
let us
sir.
see. Same example I have taken. Please verify your Hamming distances with the things which are indicated here. Okay, the red ones are actually the Hamming distances. Now this is my received sequence. This is my received sequence on the top I am writing so that it is easy to verify that. Okay, likewise you can also write this way. Please see that this is one window. From this is starting time is T0 to T1. So T0 to T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, T6, T7, T8. This is the last one, T8. Okay, I am writing the time axis at the bottom. Right, and please see that how many bits are there in our received sequence. Please check up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pairs. 8 pairs means I should have 16 bits here, 16 bit sequence now. In that, I got 8 sequences, 8 pairs. This is one pair, another pair, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up to this you have to take. So depending on the length of the sequence, you have to limit this ending point. This is my starting point. Okay. See, this is the window. This one. For this window, 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 this one, and this one, and this one. Like that, you have to verify. So depending upon the number of received sequences or the received number of pairs, based on that, you have to lengthen the sequence. Here. We agree? So this is what is known as Viterbi decoding algorithm. In the convolutional codes, the best possible decoding algorithm is the maximum likelihood decoder, and which is actually popular known as Viterbi decoding algorithm. Okay, the procedure is I already told you. First you write the outputs on each branch, on each link. Okay, and all the possible things, and then what you have to do is you have to find out the Hamming distances on each link. You mentioned by comparing the received sequence. Now, in this example, once again, for the late tuners, this is my first received sequence pair, what we call received bit pair, and I am comparing this with respect to the output that is on this particular branch. So, what is the Hamming distance here? Can somebody tell me? 1, 0, 1, 0. That is a 2. Hamming distance is 2 here. Similarly, you have to check up because this window, this particular sequence, so whatever there, it is within this window. You have to compare all these things. Similarly, you have to, whatever you have, this received sequence that this bits, you have to compare within this window, whatever you are coming across, all the branches. Is it followed? Similarly, with this sequence, whatever the branches you get, you have to follow, you have to compare with this. Likewise, you have to proceed in this way. Now, we are starting from here. 1 and 0, 0 you are comparing. So, what is the Hamming distance here? It is going to be 2. Are you there?
Okay, sir.
Now you have to compare this 1, 1 and this 1, 1. Because always the received sequence is compared with the respective outputs of the branch. So 1, 1, there is no distance. So say I'm making 0. So in order to have a clarity, I just made round here to make you understand. You did not do that, but I'm just for the sake of your convenience, I'm just doing it. See, after this, it is not going this side. That's why it has to go either this way or this way. That's why the relevance of these what you call circuits, small circuits, you don't have. So that's why I'm just leaving them. You don't have any relevance. Okay, but for the sake of completeness, I'm just drawing it, and you need to draw the branches here. Fine. Once it is there, now these two are over. Now coming to this branch and this branch. Number of changes is only 1 here, so the Hamming distance is 1. And here 1, 1, 1 and 1, 0. They are compared. The Hamming distance is 1. and this branch is also pertaining to this. So 1 0 is compared with 1 0, so the Hamming distance is 0, and this is within this. So 1 0 is compared with 0 1. So 1 0 0 1 they are not tallying. So the Hamming distance is 2 here. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
likewise, you have to proceed that way. All these things you have to link. So every, for example, randomly I check. I am taking the 0 0 received bits. The corresponding branch, who will tell me this complete? So there is no Hamming distance here, so it's 0 here, the 2, and then this black one is also coming here. So 0 0 1 1. So 2 Hamming distance is 2. And what is the next one? This one. This one also. 0 0 1 0. What is the Hamming distance? 1. And what is this? 0 0. What is this? This is 0 1. So Hamming distance is 1. Likewise, what is this? 0 0 1 0. Hamming distance is 1. So all are completed. So likewise, you have to proceed that way. Can I proceed to the next stage?
Yes, sir.
Shall I proceed to next step? Because you have to do this.
Yes, sir.
Now, another interesting point is, now I'm here, for example, I'm starting from here. Okay? I'm starting from here. From here to here, what is the Hamming distance? So from start to, from T0 to T1, what is the Hamming distance?
2, sir.
2. So I'm writing 2 on this particular node. Okay? So now the Hamming distance is, by the time I come here, it is node, Hamming distance is coming 2 here. Okay. Similarly, if I take this node from here to here, what is that Hamming distance if I move from T0 to T1?
0.
So 0. Which one is minimum? So on this node, I'll write 0. Because the Hamming distance is from here to here is 0. That's why I'm writing here 0. Now if you compare 2 and 0, which is the minimum?
0, sir.
So therefore, my movement has to, now the starting, the moment I start, I have to start from this way. For this particular, I don't go this way. Why? The Hamming distance is large here as compared to this. Agreed? Now I'm here. I want to move from here to here or here to here. There are two possible ways. Right? What is the Hamming distance from here to here if I travel? From T1 to T2 up to this node? It is, you have to add this Hamming distance to this distance and tell me this value. So at the bottom, what is my Hamming distance? 0 plus 2. It is 3. By the time I come to T2, from here it is 3. Hamming distance is 3. Now let us move from here 0 to this. What is the Hamming distance I am covering here? 0 plus 0. 0 plus 0 is how much? 0. This is my Hamming distance is 0. At this node, my Hamming distance is 0. Okay.
Sir, 0 plus 2 is 2, no, sir. Here, bottom.
Here, where? Oh, sorry. Here, I thought it's 1. Okay. So this is 2. Correct. You're right. So this is 2. Okay. 0 plus 2 is 2. 0 plus 0 is 0 here. So which one you up? Which is the minimum distance? See,
0,
this is the point. So obviously my path will continue this way because I want this path. Now let us come to this point. Actually, we already have 3 here, correct? We already here 2 because from here to here 2. From the moment I move from T1 to T2 on this particular node, 2 plus 1 is 3, which I already written here. Okay, this is 2 because there is no other way. 2 and then 1. This is 3. This is also 3. This is also 3. Both are same. Anyway, I am not going to this way right now. as per our problem received sequence. So I'm moving from this here. From here, there are again two paths. Okay, if I move from here to here, how much is the Hamming distance? This is only 1, right? Is it 1? So 0 plus 1 is 1 here. Okay, from here, if I move from 0 plus 1, it becomes 2. But actually, if I come this way, it becomes 4. But if I come this way, this is going to be 1. But if you come this way, 2, that is already 2 plus 1, this 3. 3 plus 1, 4. Actually, if you come this way, it becomes 4. But if I come this way, 0 plus 1, this is only 1. So I'll strike off this 4 and write it as 1. Okay. I'll not come this way at all for this particular design. I'll come only this way if at all, if I want to come to this point. Do you accept this? So from here, I can also move this way, this point. Please let us see. This road has got one path here from another path here, right? Let us take, this is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1 here. Here it is 3, correct? 3 plus 1, 4. I don't write 4 here, I write only 1 because this is the nearest path. So I'll strike off, if I had written here 4, I would have strike off and then I kept 1. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Now, coming to this point, because they're all the same nodes, T2, right? So I have written already 3, 3, 0 here. And let us see, 1, 1, let us see what happens here. If I move from this point, because it is connected to this point, 3 plus 0 is 3 actually here, right? Let me write here 3 first. That means if I come this way, it becomes 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 0 is 3. Okay? Now, this way it is 0. No, it's not coming here. From here it is 2. If I add this 1, it becomes 3. So I can come either this way or this way. Indicate the minimum Hamming distance at this particular node. At every node, find out what is the minimum Hamming distance. When you are having different routes, please find out from different routes which is having the minimum value you have to take. So what is the Hamming distance? You take this and this one. Because I am from 2 to T3, T2 to T3 I am moving. So this is T0, T1, T2. So now here this one you have to take. And what is this? That is, it is corresponding to 0, 1. 1, 0, 0, 1. So here the Hamming distance is 2. So 2 plus 2 becomes 4 here. So I won't come this way. Because this is actually, if I come this way, it is 3. You understand? So indicate the minimum Hamming distance at every node. Okay. So I won't come this way. This is node 2. Let us say this is 2. Okay. This is 3. Likewise, so now I got 1. I got 1 here. I got 3 here. And what about this? So I come here this way, it is 2. What is the value here? This is going to be 2 because 2 plus 0, it is 2. This is one way. Another way is, this is already 3. 3 plus 2, it becomes 5. I don't take it. So minimum distance is 2. So I have to come, if at all, if I come to this point, I have to come this way and then this way and then come this way. Right? Is it clear, please?
Yes, sir.
So, likewise, now next task is you have to find out the Hamming distance at every node, not on the branch, at every node by adding previous ones, right? And whichever is the minimum you have to indicate, striking of the higher one. Don't write the higher one, write this least one. Now this part is over. Coming to this point. From 1, actually I have written here, it's not 4, it's 1 because I'm moving this way. 1 plus 0 is 1 plus 0?
1, sir.
So I'm striking off this 1. And now coming to this point. Okay, this is having two paths. 1 plus 2, this is 3. Okay, this is 3. Let us see whether we, because there is another path. Say 3 plus 0, 3. So minimum distance is 3. Because both the ways it is same. Either this way or this way, it is same. Okay, now coming to this part. The Hamming distance 1 plus 1 is 2 here. If I come this way, okay, and if I come this way, this is already 2. But this one, what is its Hamming distance? 0, 1. It's only 1. Hamming distance is 1 here. So 2 plus 1, it is 3. But whereas you are coming this way 2, so don't write this 3. This becomes 2 here. Okay. And what about this? What about this? It is 1 here plus 1, you will get 2 here. Because this one, 2 plus 1 is 3 here, but here we are coming this way. Fine? So likewise, at every node, you have to find out the Hamming distance, minimum Hamming distance. Here it is coming, it is 2. It is 2, 1 plus 1, 2. And this way it is 2 plus 1, 3. So I don't write it 3 here. Okay? And here it is 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3 here. I don't write it here. 2. And here again I write 0. This 3 plus 0 is 3. And here it is 2 plus this. I think this one is 0, 1. 1, 0. It is going to be 2. So 2 plus 2, 4. It becomes 4. No, it is you write here 3. Likewise, you have to indicate all the Hamming distance. Now let us see. I'm starting from here. I'm moving. Okay. Next Hamming distance is, what is this value? I forgot. What is this value? Is it 0?
0.
What is its value? Huh? 0 only, na? So
Sir, 0, sir.
You are coming this way now. Okay, this path. Now, which is the minimum one? Either this way or this way. By the time I reach here, okay. See, there are no, this is 1. So I had to come this way only. Correct? I had to come this way only. Because I had to reach 1 here. Next one is, this is 0. In this, I can go this way or this way. But here, by the time I come here, it's only 1. So I have to take this path. Okay. Now what next? What next? It is 2. It is also 2. It is 2. It is also 2. Ultimately, I have to reach 8 here. Okay? So what is the next path? What is the next path, please? What is this Hamming distance here now? Let us see what is the Hamming distance here. What is the Hamming distance here? If I take this next point, this one. Okay. So what is the next one? This also 2, this also 2. Which one will carry? I can go this way or this way. But if I go this way, to reach this, what is the Hamming distance here? It is Hamming distance is 3 here. If I add these two. But what is the Hamming distance from here to here? It is also 3. What is the Hamming distance here? What is the Hamming distance here?
4.
No. It is 2 plus 2, 4. But when you come this way, you will get 2 here. If I add here, what's its value? 0, 1, 0, 1, it's 0, so you will get 2. So we'll get 2 here. Other than this, I have to go this way. Then I have to come this way because this is the minimum path. And this way, and finally I reach this. See what are the outputs you are having? This is the path. This is the correct code word that is actually transmitted. You can take. So please identify each node having distance. You please remember whichever is minimum, you have to go that path. So what is the path now? This is 1. No, I think this one. What is the path? This is not correct. After 2, what is that path? So this, and then this, and then this. This is the path. Okay, so go in a lowest coming distance path and to get back your original transmitter signal. You take this problem. Use the Viterbi algorithm to find the error bit position. How many errors and error bit position for this particular diagram. And this is your receiver bits. Having known this receiver bits, draw the trellis diagram for this on the possible values. Okay, and then the received sequence is only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So only 5 is there. You don't get that much bigger one. And please try to solve this problem and show me the corrected. What is the correct code word and where is the error? You take this as a homework. So what you have to do is, first you have to draw the trellis diagram. From the trellis diagram, you indicate for the 0 inputs some color, for bit 1 inputs you have some other color, and you draw the trellis diagram. So how many you get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 windows you will get. That is, you have starting point this one, 1 window, 2 windows, 3, 4. Finally, this is my end point. This is my end point. So likewise, you can have somewhere here, somewhere here. Likewise, you have dots here, nodes here, node points here. Now, what is that? Okay. Then this, then this, then this. And finally, you have only one. I think you have to draw the trellis diagram. I think this is a red one. I think this one will come. This is another color. You draw that trellis diagram and then take this receiver bits you mentioned here. This is 0, 1. This is 1, 0. This is 1, 1. This is 0, 0. And this is 0, 0. Having done this, now you compare, you find out the outputs on each branch and find out the Hamming distance, and finally you find out the minimum Hamming distance at every node and then proceed.